Wait, is it Blue's Clues?
No.
Hi. Hello. You wanna come say hi? Okay, bye-bye. It's like she knows when she's on camera. She just knows. Did get my package in from ASOS. Just setting up some lighting in here so that we can do an unboxing and a try-on haul. Funny thing is they had a discount code. I think it was like an extra 30 or 40% off of the sale items, but that means they have to be final sale. And I'm pretty sure everything I got is a sale item, which means I took the chance and decided I'm just not gonna be able to return anything. I think a lot of what I got should be fairly safe or more basics, so we'll see. Hopefully most, if not all, the items will work out. I know that like fall is upon us and it seems like people are like shopping for fall fashion already. I'm pretty sure here in Georgia it's gonna be warm until like mid or end of October, so in my mind it's summer until then. Though I am really excited for it to finally start cooling down. Okay, I can tell it's gonna be a little bit see-through. I can see it being worn with like combat boots if you want, you know, to toughen it up a little bit. But it's also just nice to have like a simple white dress sometimes. Now that I have it on, I feel pretty like, I don't know, frou-frou, like I'm like a little doll. I know I can make this work. I probably, like, seeing it with my hair down, I'm like not loving. But if you aren't as petite on top, this might feel a little like restricting. Oh, closing the door. You know, I like it. I think I just don't often wear something this girly, so I'm like getting used to seeing myself in it. Okay, this is something black. What did we get? Oh yeah. Okay, so I got this like turtleneck, getting me excited for when the weather finally cools down, because I just think a black sleeveless turtleneck like this is so, it's just so classy looking. And it's actually got like a nice like weight to it. If you guys can see, there's like texture. Yeah, this is me.
Yeah.
It's cute. I'm like, a little bit of puckering right here. Could probably tuck it in. I probably would pull my hair back so that like it emphasizes the turtleneck. I had wanted a pair of white linen trousers all summer, but just didn't really find the right pair, so I'm really hoping that these work out. Not to mention, I've gained a few pounds. Not of muscle, unfortunately. A few pounds of fat, so gonna try to like work on that and get a little bit more into my fitness game. So everything I ordered, I try to make sure it wasn't like too tight. There's a dog upstairs that's doing like a little barking noise, like whoop, whoop, whoop. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Hopefully not. It's not Sydney. I don't know what's going on up there, but sorry if you can hear it. Okay, here are the linen pants. I was definitely looking forward to trying these. It's got a nice like looseness to it. That dog. Pretty see-through. They always are, aren't they? But you know what? Overall, I really do like these. I'm gonna make them work. I'll either have to wear like nude shorts or nude undies or thongs. I did a video about like how to conceal your undergarments, so if you haven't checked that one out, I still love that video. It's still one of like my favorite videos and one of like my top performing videos, so I'll link that one down below. You know what would have been nice? If they had belt loops for a belt. It would have been nice like to have the option to really cinch this in. It is a little bit on the loose side, but I mean I did order more loose, so that's on me. Yeah, you know, I don't mind that. Is this a sweater? I think it's a sweater. Oh, this is like so different than what I thought it would be. I don't know if people really do hauls anymore, but because I don't shop as often anymore, when I do, it's an exciting moment for me. So hope you guys don't mind me sharing. It's like, it makes me think of sherbet ice cream. I know I look really puzzled because the sweater really looks nothing like it does on the model on the site. And now looking at the site, I see that you can't even see the pink detailing on it. And it just looks like it has a much slouchier, relaxed fit. Also, the price of the sweater has dropped significantly since I bought it. I'm sure I could make it work. I mean, it feels nice. The quality is okay. I got some basic black pants just because you really can't have enough. A pair of slacks or black pants. They're just the go-to. They're always flattering. And this one is more of like a lounge casual style. These feel really nice. It's like cool to the touch right now. And there is a drawstring. Okay, here are the black pants. No pockets. It's a good fit. Great length. All right, grabbing into this box. We have something blue. Ooh, I really like this color. You know what? I think I got these just because the color really appealed to me. So I think it had a matching, like, coordinating top with it too. But I really just wanted the bottoms. Sometimes clothes have like, new clothes have like that like weird sour smell. You know what I'm talking about? These are starting to feel like an impulse buy. Like, I probably could have done without these. They could be a little bit more comfy, and they do fit a little bit more tight than I thought they would, which isn't like a horrible thing, but you know, I want to wear some things that are a little bit more flattering at the moment. I got some more fun colors, okay, because you know, summer, once again, not over yet. Orange. I know orange isn't everyone's cup of tea, but just makes me happy when I wear it. This looks like it's gonna be pretty tight. Okay, yeah, so this is pretty tight. I thought I got a size bigger, but maybe sizing was off, I don't know. It's not the most comfortable because it does cut right into here, so shoot. It's like, I like the style. Next. Oh. They're like, yeah, flouncy bottoms. Would have loved to have these like earlier in the summertime, but I'm still gonna rock these and enjoy these for as long as I can. I love the length. They are see-through. Don't mind my black undies, but I really do like them, and they didn't end up being overly tight. Oh yeah, definitely something I'll need to wear a slip under. That's gonna be more form-fitting. Wow. Just letting it all out today, huh? Okay, this one was a little bit out there, but it's another orange tank, but this one is like fuzzy. This is cute. I don't know if it says cute on. And wait, did I put it on the right way, right? Yeah, I did. Tag right here. I thought I would like it more than I do. I'm okay with it. There is another orange item. You would think I'm like obsessed with orange. I just happened to get a few items in that color. But this one is a striped long sleeve top. Not the highest quality. I feel like this is something that's just not gonna last very long. But that's okay, because I don't think I paid too much for it. Let's try it on. See, there's some like loose threads coming out of it. And the stitching, not so seamlessly done. I'm seeing like some odd parts. See if I can show you guys here. See how there's like some loose threads there. Like, it just wasn't tightly done. I like it. I like these, like, it's just, this is pretty me, I think. Hi, Sydney. Hey. Hi, come say hi. Oh my goodness, look at you. Okay, let's keep going. I got another tank, and this one is very, very summery. This looks a little big. What did I get this in? I got it in a medium. I guess I should have gotten it in a small. Oh, I was like looking forward to this one. I'm bummed because the top is definitely way too big. You can see I can tighten the straps, but that doesn't account for the width. And it was interesting because I was just thinking to myself, it's like, if I just wanted to go at taken in, how would I want it taken in? And I actually don't think that's like very flattering, but I was like playing around with it, and it's like, I think if you had cinched it more like that way, that could look pretty cute, right? Right? Should be a fashion designer? It's okay. This is another one that I got purely for the color. A color girl. I like color. I like neutrals too. I like it all. It is a little bit of a darker green than I thought it would be, but I thought it'd be more like a jewel tone green, but I still really like it, and it feels pretty nice. It's just a long cardigan.
It's comfy.
Yeah. See, isn't that a pretty color?
So pretty.
It goes well with my hair color too, right? Somebody see it. Yeah. So we've had some sewage issues that have, it's like a reoccurring issue where, I'm not gonna get into the details because it's kind of gross, but I think the plumber just got here and they're probably gonna assess the situation. But we're only gonna be in this apartment for like another month, so. Anyways, I still like a nice long cardigan. It's, you know, it's just cozy and I love this color. This color is great. I'm not even mad at the darker green with the mint green situation right now. This was where I thought it was the most risky, is to buy glasses, sunglasses, shades, and not be able to return them, because I know I'm very picky, very fussy when it comes to the way they look on me. So we'll see. I get to actually just try these on right now, so that's fun. Does it suit me? Actually, they're kind of fun.
I think you could rock them.
Thank you. I know everyone's kind of wearing their sunnies like this now.
Oh.
I like them. It's better than I expected. I wanted just like a fun colored pair of sunnies because I'm always wearing like, you know, black, silver, that leopard print style. I did get one that is that like retro style. Okay, let's see how these look. I'm like trying to, what do you think? Classic, right?
Yeah, I like them.
Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, so you can see the aftermath. But I decided to like partition the items out into I'm gonna keep pile and maybe, I'm not so sure. So you can tell that my maybe pile is more of the colorful items, which really bums me out because I did really like them, but it just either was too tight or too loose or just didn't really look the way I thought it would. This dress is just so skin tight. I just don't know. If any of you guys want any of these pieces, let me know, and maybe I'll do a like little giveaway on Instagram stories. The glasses I'm pretty pleased with. Like, I'm surprised they worked out quite nicely. Yeah, I mean, these could have been a little bit wider and I think it would have suited my face better, but still, it's a cute style. I do like it and I'm excited about these. And the items that I am keeping, yep, mostly neutrals. No big surprise there. These joggers and the striped top, not like the highest quality. So there you go. I think this video has probably gone on long enough to where, I don't know if I'm going to really add more to it. So if I'm not, just want to say bye. I don't even know that I said hi earlier. I am Christine. If you're new here, thanks for dropping by and spending some time with me as I share with you guys some of the clothes that I got. And until next time, I will see you very soon. Bye.